Hi guys, welcome to another video of Pro Tips. Today I'm gonna show you how to add a Google account to your Android device. In this case, I'm using a Galaxy S22, but it's the same for most Androids. From home screen, swipe down from the top to open the notification panel. Then you wanna tap on settings icon in the right hand corner, top right hand corner. You wanna swipe to and tap accounts and backup. Then press manage account. And then you just press add account. You will see a list like this where you will have Samsung account, Duo, Exchange, Facebook. We're looking for Google. And then you will be prompted to add your Gmail account. So add your email address and press next. Then you will be prompted to add your password. So add your password and press next. Then you will be prompted to review the terms of use and policies. Make sure you read it and agree. Then click on accept after you read them, and that's it. Your Gmail account has already been added to your phone. You can now start using it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this content, please subscribe, share with your friends, and give me a like.